Hey learner, welcome back. This is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we will discuss insert a node before the value in a singly linked list. So this is a common function. Okay. So let's see. This is my function name, insert before. Okay. Insert before. Here there is a parameter start. This is your ready linked list. Okay. So here we draw the one linked list. For example, this is your start. Then here there is a one linked list. For example, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here we assume some addresses. And first address is pointing to this start. Okay, so this is your linked list. Next, declare some variable temp, prev, ptr and one integer value. So here printf scanf, enter the node value before you want to insert the new node. So here there is a scanf %d and value. And value means that here we accept one value from keyboard. So this value is in the present linked list. If it is not a valid value, cannot insert the new node before that value, because this is an invalid value. So enter here the valid value which are present in the current linked list. So next, first we find this value in current linked list. So by using this for loop, here there is a semicolon in for loop. So this for loop is executed till value is not getting matched. Okay. So see here, by using first initialization, prev equal to start, ptr equal to start. So here we assume that your value is that the 6. Now we search the value 6 in current linked list. So here prev equal to start. So this is your prev. This is your ptr. So both are pointing to the start. Now here address is that the 1000. Next, ptr is not equal to null. True. ptr is not equal to null because they store the some address of some node. Then next condition, ptr data is not equal to value. See here, ptr of data. ptr have the address 1000. So see, the ptr of data is that the 4. So 4 is not equal to 6. True. Okay. So both conditions are true. So it is going to increment section. Here prev equal to ptr, then ptr equal to ptr of next. So prev is already pointing to the ptr. So second, ptr equal to ptr of next. Now ptr is going to next node. Now next node address is that the 1008. So here ptr is the 1008. Again going to condition, ptr is not equal to null, true, and ptr of data. Now ptr of data is that the 5. So 5 is not equal to 6, again true. Okay. Then last expression, prev equal to ptr. Now prev is pointing to this ptr here. Now address is that the 1008. And second is that ptr equal to ptr of next. So ptr is going to next. So this is your ptr. So address is that 2020. Again check, ptr is not equal to null, true, and the ptr of data is not equal to value. So now data is at the 6. 6 not equal to 6, false. So here we break this for loop, because here we match the condition, and on that condition we break the for loop. After breaking this for loop, now here we match the value is present in a current linked list. If it is, then insert a new node. If it is not, then this print the invalid position. So see here, this is if condition. check ptr is not equal to null, true, because they store the address of some other node, and the data is equal to value. Okay, see here data is that the 6 and value is also 6, both are here matching. Now in if condition, here temp equal to get node. Now here we create a one new node. So see here, first temp equal to get node. So this is your temp, which is pointing to one node. Okay, so assume here there are the one value 11 and this is address, for example 3020. Okay, then there are again two conditions, if and the else. See here ptr equal to start. See here start address is that the 1000, ptr address is that the 2020. If it is match, means that insert node before start. Okay, if it is not, then means that insert in between. So this is a common function, that's why here we write the code in beginning as well as in between. So see here, first we explain the else condition. So see here, now it is going to else because ptr and start doesn't match. So first line prev of next equal to temp. So see here prev of next. So prev address is that the 1008. So see here this is going to, this next is assigned to temp, and temp of next equal to ptr. So temp of next is equal to, this is your ptr. Okay, so here this node is inserted before the 6 value. So now my output is that 4 5 then 11 6 7. Okay, here we return start. Now here we assume your value is that the 4. So here we rough this statement. Okay, so here we enter the value equal to 4. Okay, check here by using for loop, prev equal to start and the ptr equal to start. So here we assume this is your prev, this is your ptr, both are pointing to this start. So they store the address 1000. Next check ptr is not equal to null, true, and data is not equal to value. So see here data is that the 4, so 4 is not equal to 4, false. Here we break this for loop. Okay, then check here if statement, ptr is not equal to null, true, and data is equal to value, true. Okay, then temp equal to get node. Here we create a one node, for example this is your temp. Okay, which is pointing to this one node, for example this is 3, and here some address is that the 2090. So this address is stored in this temp. Then check here ptr is equal to start. See here ptr address is that the 1000, start address is that the 1000. Here we match the condition. Okay, so meaning is that we insert a node before the start node. So these two expressions are evaluated. Temp of next equal to start. So temp of next, so temp have the value 3. So this next is pointing to this start, and start equal to temp. So here start is pointing to this temp. Okay, and here return the start. So here new address of start is that the 2090. So here return start means that the 3, so first node 3 is returned. So it is linked to the 4, 4 linked to the 5, 5 linked to the 6, 6 linked to the 7. So automatically the total linked list will be returned. Okay, so by using if condition we insert a node before the start, and here we insert the node before the any node. Now we check the some invalid number. So here we remove some diagrams. This is your start. Okay, 1000. So if your value is that, for example 8, okay, check here prev equal to start. So this is your prev, this is your ptr, okay, which is pointing to this start. Now address is that the 1000. So check here condition, ptr is not equal to null and data is not equal to value. So 4 is not equal to 8. True, prev equal to ptr and ptr equal to ptr of next. So ptr is going to next. So they store the address 1008. Again condition, ptr is not equal to null and the data is that the 5 is not equal to 8. True, again prev equal to ptr. So prev is pointing to this ptr location. So address is that the 1008 and the ptr equal to ptr of next. ptr is going to next. So address is that the 2020. Again check, ptr is not equal to null and data is not equal to value. So 6 is not equal to 8. Again here prev is equal to ptr. So address is that the 2020 and the ptr equal to ptr of next. Here address is that the 3090. Again ptr is not equal to null and the ptr of data means that 7 is not equal to 8. True. So prev equal to ptr. So prev is pointing to this location 3090 and ptr equal to ptr of next. So here ptr of next is that the null. So here there is a null address. Okay. Again check, ptr is not equal to null. Here we false this condition. Okay, because here we finish the linked list and on terminating the linked list the data is not matched. So that's why here we add this condition, ptr is not equal to null, because if there are linked list then check data is not equal to value. But if my linked list is finished till data is not found, then ptr has goes to the null but not matching the value to this the linked list data. Okay, so here we check the two conditions. ptr is not equal to null. Here we break this first condition because here ptr is the null. Okay, and here data is equal to value. So this is also false condition because ptr doesn't have the any node, so they're not matching the data to the value. So that's why it is directly going to else and print the invalid position. Okay, so by using this way we insert a node before the start, insert in between, and here we validate the position. So here we validate the value. See if value is present in the linked list. If it is, then we insert the new node. If it is not, then we directly display the message, this is the invalid value. Okay, so this is the invalid value, not a position. Okay, so if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.